Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in. I have my Boxycharm by Ipsy, my paid box. This came so fast. I mean, I don't think my glam bags have even shipped yet. So I'm excited for this one, and the theme is Born to Bloom for May 2025. Let's see. I'm going to do the two items that they chose for me first, and the rest are my picks. So this is What's Up Beauty lightweight hydrating face primer. Didn't I get this in my other box? I think so. I'm not sure. Honestly, I don't remember what my PR box had in it, but that's really nice. A face primer that looks like it's a decent size. Right there. And then here from Lauren's, I have brightening skin pads. I'm not going to open these at all. These are sulfate-free, phthalate-free, I cannot say that today, cruelty-free and paraben-free. And we all know what they look like. It's, you know, probably just looks like the First Aid Beauty pads. I might share them just because. I think I got this with points. I just wanted to use some points up. And this was a good size for like my handbag or travel versus the fatter one. And this is Beauty Creations, and this is watermelon, hydrating watermelon face wipes. So these are great. Sometimes I like to leave these in my car because you could use these for a quick hand wipe if you need it. So I think I did use points for that. I chose now this. I'm sorry. This is horrible. Boxycharm, Ipsy. This is from First Aid Beauty, the Bright and Glow Eye Cream. This is going to be tiny. I know it. I can just tell by the package. I mean, it might be tiny on their website, but they need to offer us fuller size products right there. So I was excited to give that a try. That is, so I did get from Huda Beauty another, I chose this, the faux filler, and this is in Sugar Daddy. I'll show it to you. I'm trying to think where. It's right here. Huda Beauty is right here. I can see, you know, I know where they're at. So this is what it looks like right here. And I did swatch it in my PR haul. So I will share that one, this one. I'm not even going to open it. Sweet. Stay sealed. And then I chose a perfume. And this is from Memoir. And this is called Airplane Mode. I was curious as to what this smelled like. It seemed like it would be okay when I read what the notes were. Like more fruity, light, and for the summer. Still on the hunt to replace my Philosophy body spritz that they don't make anymore, which I get, but still is confusing. Let's see. Cute little bottle, and it's a spray. That doesn't smell bad. I'm just going to spray it on this paper so I can. Kind of hard on this kind of paper. That doesn't smell bad. I like that. Nice and light. Let me see if I can read on here what. Okay, so let me see. It's saffron, coconut water, orange, blossom, plum, and cedar wood. Not a very strong scent whatsoever. So if you wanted to give that a try, I mean, this seems like, I mean, it would last a while. You don't need a lot. But a nice scent that's not too overpowering. I'm going to spray some on my arm just to see what I think. Now that it's on my skin. It probably does smell different on your skin than it does spraying the paper, but let's get that from there. We'll move that around. Not bad. I can smell the cedar wood. Believe it or not. I don't smell a lot of the other. Like, you would think coconut would be strong. No. Saffron, coconut water. That's why, because it was coconut water. Orange blossom. I don't smell a lot of that. Plum, cedar wood. I do smell that. it's, you know, it's a soothing yet invigorating start. I mean, it does smell nice. It's not that it doesn't. I would wear that. It's a nice lighter scent. I have to get used to it because, you know, one, I'm not used to it, but not bad whatsoever. And this is my paid box. And then my Beauty Boost was from Murad. I think this was like 90 some dollars. This is the Retinol Resculpt Eye Treatment. I'm always going to choose like that type of product. Just because it's expensive. And if I want to try it, why not get it in a box? Does that have a seal on it? Yeah, that has a seal on it. So it's, you don't need a lot of this. So this is a decent size. The green is a lot of their newer packaging, by the way. So this is relatively, and on the newer side, it might not be new, but it is relatively new. So I'm excited for my box. Some good products. Two I'll share. Definitely I'm going to share the face wipes, because face pads, because I don't need them. I do have a huge tub of First Aid Beauty ones, and I cut them in half, and one half is good for your face. So that, and then I'll share the Huda Beauty product, and the rest I'll keep. So not bad for my paid Boxycharm by Ipsy, by my Boxycharm. I mean, this is Ipsy, but yeah, I'm fine with it. Not bad. I do agree with a lot, even with the Boxy PR box, that when it's Icon Month, the box suffers. And that was always that way, even when it was Boxycharm. You know, when it was Luxe Month, the base was usually horrible, or the premium was horrible. It's no different than here. I did see a few people getting the Icon box in PR. My email said I was getting 2 packages, the Boxycharm box and then the Icon box. But it looks like the Icon box is still sitting out there for delivery, like it hasn't been updated. So I don't know what's going on with that. Hopefully I get the Icon box so I can see what that looks like. Maybe they'll start sending us that every once in a while. And if not, it's no big deal. So let me know your thoughts on your Boxycharm, on my Boxycharm, anything that, you know, struck your fancy there that you would want to try. Let me know. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.